So fx is equal to x minus 1 square minus 4. So we see a is larger than 0, so minimum point. So minimum point is equal to negative 1 and negative 4. So we get 1, negative 4. So y-intercept x is equal to 0. So fx is equal to 0, negative 1 square minus 4, which is equal to 1 square minus 4, which is equal to 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So for x-intercept, so we have to change into intercept form. So fx is equal to x minus 1 square minus 4, which is equal to x square minus 2x minus plus 1 minus 4. So we x square minus 2 times negative 1, negative 2x plus 1 square minus 4, which is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3. So x minus 3, x plus 1. So x-intercept is equal to 3 and negative 1. So we can draw the graph. So we have minimum point. So y-intercept is negative 3, and then the minimum point is 1. Here, maybe see here negative 4. So this is the minimum point. This is y-intercept, and then x-intercept is 3 and negative 1. So here is negative 1, and maybe here should be this is 1, this is 3. So 3 and negative 1. So something like this, where this minimum point is 1, negative 4. fx is equal to 2, x plus 2 square minus 2. So we can see a is larger than 0, so minimum point. So minimum point is equal to, here we take negative 2, negative 2, intercept x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, fx is equal to 2, 0 plus 2 square minus 2, 2, 4 minus 2, which is equal to 8 minus 2, which is equal to 6. So then, for x-intercept, we need to do into intercept form. So fx is equal to 2, x plus 2 square minus 2, which is equal to 2, x square, 2 times 2, 4, 4x plus 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2x square plus 8x plus 8 minus 2. So 2x square plus 8x plus 6. So we take out 2x square plus 4x plus 3. So 2x plus 3, x plus 1. So we get x-intercept. X is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to negative 1. So we see here. So y-intercept is 6, minimum point is negative 2, 2, and x-intercept is here. So we know minimum point, so we draw the graph. So okay, negative 2, negative 2. So maybe here is negative 2. So this one is the minimum point. And then y-intercept is 6. Okay, so maybe here is 6. And then x-intercept is negative 3 and negative 1. So negative 3 and negative 1. Oh, here and here. So going through this point, here and intersect here. So it should be round lah. Okay, something like this. See, fx is equal to 9 minus x minus 2 square, which is equal to negative x minus 2 square plus 9. So we see here a is smaller than 0. So it has maximum point. So maximum point is equal to, so negative of what inside? Negative 2 and then 9. So we have 2, 9. So y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So fx is equal to, when x is equal to 0, x is equal to negative 0 minus 2 square plus 9, which is equal to negative 2 square is 4 plus 9. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So now, in intercept form, fx is equal to negative x minus 2 square plus 9. So when we expand x square, 2 times negative 2, negative 4, negative 4x plus 4 plus 9. So negative x square plus 4x minus 4 plus 9. So negative x square plus 4x plus 5. Then we take out negative, we get x square minus 4x minus 5. So we get negative. So x minus 5, x plus 1. So x-intercept is x equal to, x minus 5 equals 0, we get 5. X plus 1, we get x is equal to negative 1. So maximum point is 2, 9. Y-intercept is 5. And x-intercept is 5 and negative 1. So we can see x in between 5 and negative 1. So maybe negative 1 here. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5 is here. So this is the x-intercept. So maximum point is at 2 and 9. So maybe 9 somewhere around here. So 2 and 9. This one is the maximum point. And then y-intercept is y is equal to 5. So maybe 5 is somewhere around here. So the graph will go through this point and intercept at 5 and go through negative 1. So D, fx is equal to negative 2, x minus 1, x minus 3. So we can see here, x-intercept is equal to 1 and 3. So x minus 1 equals 0, x is equal to 1, x minus 3 equals 0, x is equal to 3. So we get x-intercept already. So y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, fx is equal to negative 2, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 3. So negative 2 times negative 1 times negative 3. So we get, so 2 times negative 1 is 2, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So we can see here, a is smaller than 0. So mean it has maximum point. So fx, we have to do completing the square to get maximum point. So fx is equal to negative 2, x minus 1, x minus 3. So we have to expand negative 2, x square minus 3x minus x plus 3. So we get negative 2, x square minus 4x plus 3. So to do completing the square, after x minus 4x, we have to add bracket square minus bracket square plus 3, which in the bracket should be the same value of, we take in front of x, which is negative 4, negative 4 over 2, negative 4 over 2. So 4 over 2 is equal to minus 2, which is equal to negative 2. And then this one we will take the first and the third, which is x. Don't forget the minus 2 square. And this one is minus 2 square is 4 plus 3. So we get negative 2, x minus 2 square minus 1. So to open the bracket at the back, negative 2 times negative 1 is 2. So we get negative 2, x minus 2 square plus 2. So we see here, maximum point is equal to 2 and 2. So you see now, x-intercept is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. And then the y-intercept is negative 6. And then the maximum point is 2, 2. So x-intercept is 1, 3. So you know 1, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So this one is 1, s is equal to 1. This one is s is equal to 3. And then maximum point is x is equal to negative 6. So x is equal to negative 6 maybe should be here. So x equal to negative 6. And then, okay, this is the point. And then maximum point is 2, 2. So 2 maybe around here. Okay, 6 bawah sikit lah. So negative 6 maybe here. This one is negative 6 and this one should be 2. So here we see this one is the maximum point of 2, 2. This is 1, this is 3. So this is the y-intercept. So we just, okay, here. Okay, here and here. So this is basically the graph of this one. Fx is equal to negative 2, x minus 1, x plus 3. Fx is equal to negative x plus 3, x plus 5. So we see here a is smaller than 0 because negative 1. So it has maximum point. But then from this intercept form we can find x. So x intercept is equal to x is equal to negative 3 and x is equal to negative 5. And then y intercept means x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, f0 is equal to negative 0 plus 3, 0 plus 5. So we get negative 3, 5 which is negative 15. And then for x-intercept, we need to put it into the maximum, we need to do completing the square. So fx is equal to negative x plus 3, x plus 5. So when we expand, we get negative. X times x is x square. X times 5 is plus 5x. 3 times x is plus 3x. 3 times 5 is plus 15. Equal to negative x square plus 8x plus 15. Which is equal to negative x square plus 8x plus box square minus box square plus 15. So in the box should be here divided by 2x of 8 over 2, 8 over 2. So we get negative. So first and third term, 8 over 2 is 4. So x plus 4 square minus 4 square is 16 plus 15. Which is equal to negative x plus 4 square minus 1. So we open the bracket, negative x plus 4 square plus 1. So maximum point is equal to negative 4 and 1. So we see here, x-intercept is negative 3 and negative 5. So the graph should be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So negative 3 and negative 5. So maybe here and here. Alright. And then the y-intercept is negative 15. So maybe negative 15 in somewhere here, which is the x-intercept. Okay. And then the maximum point is negative 4 and 1. So negative 4 and maybe 1 around here, which is negative 4 and 1. So we have this 4 points. So we just all the point, connect all the point. Okay. So this is basically the graph of this function. Fx is equal to 2, x plus 1, x minus 3. So we know the x-intercept is x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 3. So x-intercept, then we have y-intercept is equal to, is when x is equal to 0. So f0 is equal to 2, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 3, which is equal to 1, negative 3. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So we put it into computing the square to get the maximum point. So a is larger than 0, I'm sorry. So it is minimum point. So to get minimum point, fx is equal to 2, x plus 1, x minus 3. So we expand x square minus 3x plus x minus 3. So we get 2x square minus 2x minus 3. So to do completing the square, x square minus 2x plus square minus 3. So in the bracket should be this one, the middle one, negative 2 divided by 2. Negative 2 divided by 2. Don't forget the symbol of negative. So 2. So we take the first and third. Negative. So x minus 1 square, because negative 2 over 2 minus negative 1 square is 1 minus 3. So we get 2 x minus 1 square minus 4. So to open the bracket is equal to negative 2 x minus 1 square. Negative 4 times 2 is 8. So we know the minimum point is equal to here 1 and then negative 8. So now we have x-intercept is 1, negative 1 and 3. So x-intercept, okay, jap. X-intercept and then y-intercept is negative 6. And then minimum point is negative 8. So negative will be more. So we have here which is negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This one should be 3. And then y-intercept is negative 6. So maybe here is negative 6. So x-intercept, so minimum point is 1 and negative 8. So maybe 1 is here. And maybe negative 8 is here. So this one, and this point. So we have 4 points. So we just connect all those 4 points. Okay. Okay. So this is basically the graph of this function. Fx is equal to negative x squared plus 4x plus 5. So we know x-intercept, y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to negative x squared plus 4x plus 5. So x squared minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5 and negative 1. So this is x-intercept. So y-intercept, x is equal to 0. So f0 is equal to negative 0 square plus 40 plus 5, which is equal to 5. And then to find, so we see here a is equal to, no, a is smaller than 0, which means a has maximum point. So fx is equal to negative x square plus 4x plus 5. To do completing the square, this one should be positive. So negative, we take out negative, x square minus 4x minus 5, which is equal to negative. So x square minus 4x. After x, we add bracket square minus bracket square. And then we put minus 5. So in the bracket square should be in front of x divided by 2, which is negative 4 over 2. Negative 4 over 2. So minus negative 4 over 2 means negative 2. So x minus 2 square minus this one is negative 2 square is 4 minus 5. So we get negative x minus 2 square minus 9. So when we open the bracket, negative x minus 2 square plus 9. So we see here the maximum point is equal to 2 and 9. So we have the x-intercept. This is x-intercept, 5 and negative 1. And then y-intercept is 5. Maximum point is 9. So we can see all the y is positive. And x is between negative 1 to 5. Okay, so maybe here. So negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is 5. So we have these 2 points. And then y-intercept is 5. So maybe 5 is around here. This is 5. And then maximum point is 2 and 9. So 9 might be somewhere higher. Maybe 9 is here. So 2 and 9. So we have 4 points. You see here? 4 points. So we just connect all those 4 points. So this is the graph for this function. Fx is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. So x-intercept, y is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 2. 2x minus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x-intercept x is equal to half and x is equal to negative 2. So y-intercept x is equal to 0. So when f 0, we get negative 2. And then to get, okay, so we see here a is larger than 0, so minimum point. To get minimum point, we have to do completing the square. So fx is equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 2. To do completing the square, x must be 1. So we take out 2, x square plus 3 over 2x minus 1. So 2x square plus 3 over 2x, then we add box square minus box square minus 1. So here we get, in the box should be in front of x divided by 2. So 3 over 2 divided by 2, we get 3 over 4. This one is also 3 over 4. So we get 2x plus 3 over 4 square minus 3 over 4 square is 9 over 16 minus 1. So we get 2x plus 3 over 4 square negative 25 over 16. So when we open the bracket, 2x plus 3 over 4 square, so negative 25 over 16 times 2, we get minus 25 over maximum point is negative 3 over 4 and negative 25 over 8. So we know s-intercept is here negative 1 and half and negative 2. Y-intercept is negative 2 and then maximum point is negative 3 over 4 and negative 25 over 8. So we see here, this is more to negative 2. So here should be, so more to negative 2. So this one should be half. And this one should be negative 2. So we have these 2 points. And then the y-intercept is negative 2. So maybe around here, negative 2. And then maximum point is negative 3 over 4. So negative 3 over 4 should be, this is one. So maybe around here, negative 3 over 4. And negative 25 should be around 3 something. So negative, so maybe around here, negative 25 over 8. So here and here. So we have these 4 points. So we just connect. So this is the graph for this function. I fx is equal to negative x squared plus 4x plus 12. So x-intercept is when y is equal to 0. 0 is equal to negative x squared plus 4x plus 12. So x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6 and negative 2. So x-intercept is 6 and negative 2. So y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, f0 is equal to, we get 12. And then we see here a is smaller than 0. So it has maximum point. So fx is equal to negative x squared plus 4x plus 12, which is equal to negative. To do completing the square, we have to, x must be equal to a. So x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to negative x squared minus 4x plus, we open bracket square, we minus bracket square, we minus 12. So in the bracket should be in front of x divided by 2, which is negative 4 divided by 2, negative 4 divided by 2. So negative. So we take first and third term. So x minus 4 over 2 is 2 square minus negative 2 square is 4 minus 12. So we get negative x minus 2 square minus 16. So when we open the bracket, we get negative x minus 2 square plus 16. So we know the maximum point is 2 and 16. So you see here, x-intercept we already have, y-intercept is 12, and then maximum point is 2, 16. So we see this one is between -2 and 6, and for the y, everything is larger than 0. So okay, so maybe something like this. So we have -2 and 6, so we have 2 points, and then y-intercept is 12, so maybe 12 is around here. Okay, and then maximum point is 2, 16. Oh, higher lagi. Okay, tak perasan. So this one should be 16. So this one is 2, 2, 4, 6. So this one is 2, 16. So we have 4 points. We just combine all those points. So from here to here, and from here to here. The graph should look cuter than mine lah. Tapi something like this lah.